you ready to learn about benefits of using Crypto.com Visa debit card and how to maximize your passive income if so? In this video, I'm going to show you the benefits of using Crypto.com Visa debit card and how to maximize your crypto rewards on your everyday purchases by using your Crypto.com Visa debit card. So that's definitely a unique feature with this card, and we'll be getting to that in this video. What is a crypto debit card and how it works? Just like a conventional debit or credit card, cryptocurrency debit cards allow you to complete day-to-day transactions using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and other altcoins. Here's how they work. First, you top up your crypto debit card with the digital currency of your choice through a mobile app. Then you can hit the shops. Let's imagine you finally get that long-awaited cappuccino with your crypto debit card. Once the transaction is complete, the card provider will convert the digital currency into cash, meaning that the coffee shop will get your payment in fiat currencies such as US dollar, British pound or euro. What could be easier than that? What's the point? Why not use my normal Visa card? The short answer is this: you'll get some exciting perks. If you're tired of not being able to easily access your crypto, then the Crypto.com Visa debit card is definitely one worth looking at. And today we're gonna be breaking down just that. How the card works, all its perks, and how to maximize your crypto rewards. Crypto-focused products can protect you from nasty exchange rates when you're traveling outside your home country. With conventional Visa debit cards, you can often end up paying sky-high conversion fees while on holiday, as the dollars in your bank account are switched to pounds and euros. With a crypto debit card, your Bitcoin acts as a bridge to other fiat currencies, meaning you'll save money. Account top-ups are easy, and you'll be charged no fees for moving funds from your crypto exchange account to your card. Because the Crypto.com app issuing their own Visa debit card, it allows you to top up the card with your own cryptocurrency straight from the app, which gives you much more convenient and smoother access to your funds to be able to spend on your everyday purchases, goods and services. You'll be able to use your Crypto.com Visa debit card for free ATM withdrawals. It is simple to cash out your funds at ATM, and you do not need to sell your crypto, no need to pay transaction fee. Earn up to 8% back on all spending with your sleek pure metal card. No annual fees, top up with fiat or crypto. Instead of keeping your money in your bank and earning only 0.04% APR, you can make up to 14% APR investing in stablecoins such as US dollar coin. And when you need to spend, top up your Visa debit card straight from the app. What exactly is the Crypto.com Visa debit card? Well, they actually have a 5-tier system ranging from a completely free card earning you 1% cash back on all your purchases, all the way up to a premium Obsidian card that earns you a crazy 8% cash back on all your purchases, along with quite a few other impressive perks. And well, anyone can get started with their free tier debit card. You begin to work up the tiers by staking Crypto.com native cryptocurrency called CRO. And if you're unfamiliar, what staking is basically a way for you to earn interest on your crypto holdings while having them locked away for a certain duration of time. CRO can also be sold, and you can withdraw the money to your bank. CRO can even be used to top up your metal Visa card. CRO can also be traded just like every other cryptocurrency in the market, and it can even be used for staking to earn even more interest on your crypto holdings. So definitely a lot of versatility when it comes to earning CRO cash back with the card. Of course, there are downsides. Crypto.com requires you to stake CRO coins in order to unlock access to the best rewards. Then there's the issue of Bitcoin's volatility. For example, a Bitcoin you used to buy a $1,000 holiday on your crypto debit card now could end up being worth double or triple as much in the years to come, meaning you'll feel shortchanged, or it could crash, meaning that your trip to Paris really was a bargain. And I would say this: if you simply want to trade crypto in the short term, then staking probably is not ideal for you. But if you're more of a long-term investor like myself, then staking crypto can actually make a lot of sense. For one, If you're going to be holding your crypto for the long term anyway, why not earn interest on it? And secondly, staking for long-term crypto holdings can actually help you avoid the day-to-day crypto volatility in the cryptocurrency market and instead focus on investing for the long term. So those are two reasons you might want to consider staking your cryptocurrency. Because Crypto.com offers users a wide range of card tiers to choose from. Like I said, there are 5 tiers to choose from, each with rising level of rewards. Now, to get your hands on one of these metal Visa cards, you first have to begin by staking the required amount of Crow coin for that card tier. Essentially, the more Crow that you stake, the higher cards here you can apply for, as well as the higher reward level you'll receive as well. And keep in mind that cashback isn't the only perk you get from staking for one of their Visa debit cards. You'll also earn weekly interest on those stake holdings through their Crypto Earn program. And while you can stake cryptocurrency on the app for as little as 1 day through their Crypto Earn program, when it comes to actually staking for one of their cards, you will have to stake the Crow coin for at least 180 days. And it is unlocked completely after those 6 months. You essentially get your full deposit back and earned interest along the way. And if you're a long-term crypto investor, this is a great way to earn interest on your otherwise stagnant holdings. Starting with the Ruby Still card, Spotify is 100% covered. Basically, the way this works is they reimburse you in the form of Crow coin to your account, the equivalent value of this monthly Spotify membership. So essentially you get Spotify 100% free when you're a holder of the Ruby Still debit card. But check this out, if you're a holder of the next level up, the Royal Indigo and Jade Green, you get Spotify and Netflix covered for free, again in the form of receiving the equivalent amount of Crow coin that would cover the monthly cost. If you go up to the 4th card level, you get Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, as well as 10% cash back on your Expedia trips. All card benefits with that 4th tier card level. And of course, the 5th tier card level, you get all of that Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime. You get discounts on Expedia and Airbnb, as well as other benefits like airport lounge access and many other different perks like private jet partnership. In addition to the cashback earning interest, you can also get services like Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime covered as well. If you're starting off with one of the lower card tiers like the Ruby Steel card, the neat thing is you can upgrade to higher tiers as time goes on. The only caveat with that to consider is that when you do choose to upgrade to a higher card tier, it does restate your staking term. Another handy feature for us users is that when you first sign up to any one of their cards, you actually immediately gain access to a virtual card in the app before your physical card is delivered. This way you don't have to wait for your card to actually arrive in the mail in order for you to start using it online for online purchases and start earning cashback rewards. And when it comes to the card's integration with the app itself, it's a pretty seamless connection because you can easily manage your card directly from the app. This includes things like tracking your spending as well as receiving your cashback rewards. Overall, guys, I will say that the Crypto.com Visa card might just be the best feature of the Crypto.com app because it really does give you more purchasing power with your crypto and the ability to earn higher crypto rewards from your crypto as well. How to maximize your crypto rewards. If you're not familiar with Crypto.com, it's actually a mobile app that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency, earn interest on your crypto holdings, and even allows you to earn cash back in the form of crypto when using Crypto.com Visa debit card. If you would like to try out the Crypto.com app for yourself, you can get a $25 Signet bonus by joining through my special referral link below this video. You'll actually get $25 in free Crow deposited straight into your Crypto.com app when you sign up and begin staking at least $400 for Visa debit card. When you first sign up to the app, there are no fees to buy or sell crypto when you use a debit or credit card for the first 30 days, so definitely take advantage of that. Apply for higher tier Crypto.com Visa debit card that you can afford to reap bigger weekly rewards. Use Crypto.com app to see the list of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins that you can use to top up your Crypto.com Visa debit card. Use Crypto.com website to compare which cryptocurrencies and stablecoins have bigger rewards and can be used to top up your Crypto.com Visa debit card. Divide your investing funds into 3 groups. First group funds you'll be spending immediately. Invest in one of stablecoins like US dollar coin and choose staking deposit term flexible. Second group funds you'll need in 1 month. Invest in stablecoins like US dollar coin and choose staking deposit term 1 month. Third group funds you are planning to invest for long run. Invest in cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and choose staking deposit term 3 months. Just remember that stablecoins provide price stability, but cryptocurrencies can increase or decrease in value. Since cryptocurrencies just starting to go mainstream, and holding it for a long time is a key to accumulate wealth, and stablecoins will shield you from short-term market fluctuation while generating weekly rewards. Cryptocurrency like CRO, which currently is just 20 cents, if you hold it for 3-5 years can grow tenfold in price. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like this video, and to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.